Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start affiliate marketing with Leadpages, full guide step by step clearly. To start affiliate marketing with Leadpages, first, understand what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn a commission for promoting products or services. Next, sign up for a Leadpages account if you haven't already. Once registered, familiarize yourself with the Leadpages dashboard. Identify a niche that interests you or has a potential audience. Research affiliate programs related to your chosen niche. Sign up for relevant affiliate programs to gain access to their promotional materials. Create high-quality content that adds value to your audience. Use Leadpages to design landing pages that capture leads effectively. Customize your landing pages to reflect your brand identity. Include compelling calls to action that guide visitors to your affiliate offers. Promote your landing pages across various platforms to attract traffic. Utilize social media, forums, and blogs to reach a wider audience. Monitor the performance of your landing pages with analytics tools. Make adjustments based on the data to improve conversion rates. Stay updated on trends in both affiliate marketing and your niche. Engage with your audience to build trust and credibility. Test different strategies to find what works best for your specific audience. Consistently refine your approach to maximize your affiliate marketing success. With dedication and the right tools, you can effectively start your affiliate marketing journey with Leadpages. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.